Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. Today we are going to see how to connect a switch with two devices and how to simulate it, how to IP addressing, how to command everything. Okay, so don't further delay, let's go to the video. So first we have to open Cisco packet tracer. Okay, this is our part 2 video. Okay, for networking part, Cisco packet tracer. After that you have to go to this part, this device part, and you have to select this PC, and you can also give this laptop also. And after that we need a switch because our this video is for with using switch. Okay, switch part, here you can see different type of switches, and you have to select anyone. Okay, this part. Okay, after that our work is to connect them, and for connecting them we have to need where. So for where you have to go this part and click here, and after that, because this is for different device, so we have to take this straight through where. But if the devices are same, so we have that type, we have to take copper crossover. Okay, and for different devices we have to take copper straight through. Okay, just click here and click this part, and after the first ether to take this router, these switches, and after that click fast ethernet 1. Okay, this is one connection. It will connect it, it will take some time. Okay, after that again you have to take this straight. After that click here fast ethernet, you have to connect it with fast ethernet 2. Okay, it will connect after a few minutes. Okay, you can see it is already connected, and it will take some time. Okay, you can see it is already connected. Okay, so in this meantime now we can add our address, IP address. So click here static part, and here. Okay, this part is always same for these two network, and this part is different. This is host address. Okay, and after that click here, it is already open. Okay, so copy, and now this device desktop IP addressing, just paste, and just change the host address. Okay, so I will give 3. Okay, 2 and 3, and this is the host part. So if you just uh, hover it, so you can see IP address is showing. Okay, after that if you want to check the um, the message is will transfer or not, so just click this PC part. Okay, this PC part, and command prompt, and you have to write ping and space, and if you click this PC, so you have to write here this laptop's IP address, and this device's IP address. Okay, just write 1. Okay, just enter. See, packet will appear, and this is the 4 packet. Always it will give 4 packet. If it is connected, if it is not connected, also it will give 4 packet. You must have to remember it. Okay, so so we can see it is connected. And again, if you want to check this part, just click this laptop part and just simply write ping, and now you have to give this PC's IP address. So one, see, it is also connected. Now we can simulate it. So just give a message from here to here, And now you can see here PC0, this is PC0 to destination address laptop 0. This is our destination address laptop 0, source address destination address successfully connected. So if we want to simulate it, so just go there and auto capture. See, it is going and it is transferring here. Yeah, and now it will give you the update. Yeah, yeah, this is the right button. Okay, message is transferring. And if you want to again check, okay, this message is also delivering. Okay, okay, if you give here to here, okay, this message will deliver you. Okay, okay, this way it will not give that. That's why it will showing you uh it will be showing you cross button, cross sign. Okay, okay, this is our part and you can see successfully it will assign. Okay, here you can see this is our source address is the laptop part, source address is the laptop part, and destination address is uh, PCO. Okay, this is this part. Okay, so I hope that you can understand which way we have to do this process, this project. And if you understand, after that how can you save? Just press Ctrl S and here you can give the name, save. Okay, at this moment I want to show you another things. If your if your IP address is different, so what happened? Okay, so this two pieces IP address is 192.168 network address. Okay, same. If you change it from this networking part, what will happen? Let's check. Okay, now autoplay. See, not connected because it will always deliver your message from same IP address. Okay, just host number, host address is different. Okay, you have to remember it.